friends, welcome to Selenium WebDriver Training Session 16. This is Haradan once again as usual. Today I will discuss about how we can perform right click and double click operations maybe for any button or web page or link, right? So action class in Selenium is mostly used to perform complex keyboard and mouse operation. So using the action class, we can perform the right click and double click operation. So in my previous session also you already seen, right? You can drag and drop. In the action class there are a lot of functions or method available. Okay, so using those method we can do different kind of stuff. So what is right click? Right click operation is mostly used when performing right click on an element opens a new menu. So whenever you are right clicking the options, right? So there will be a lot of menu will be there under that. So you need to select it so you can perform this operation. Right click operation in Selenium WebDriver can be done using context click method, right? So you need to use the action class already available in the Selenium WebDriver Selenium jar file. You need to create an object, right, or instance, then new actions, and you need to pass the WebDriver reference. Then you need to create the element, identify the element, right? Element locator technique. It can be ID, name, class name, expert CSS, like that. Once the element identification is done, you need to use the action class object reference. Then you need to use the context click. You need to pass the element reference, then dot perform. So that's why you can right click on any options or okay. Here in that particular web page, you can see there is two buttons. One is if you click here single click, it will not work, right? If you double click here, so it will work. And the next one is if you right click here, lot of options will be coming. So you can click any of the options, right? Tag, favorite, export, so that it will display some alert. Okay. So I need to first identify the element, right? So here I already created a class, right, and double click, where I already set the properties for the Chrome drivers, and I am launching the Chrome browser using the WebDriver interface and the Chrome driver class. I am maximizing it. I am passing the URL, right? Here first I need to identify that particular button, right? Options or button. So I need to press F12 button. Then I need to identify the button using any of the attribute. So if you select it, you can see, right, ID is coming. So using the ID, I can identify the element. So I need to create a web element. Web element name I am giving as right click button, RIGHT, where I am passing the reference equal to driver dot find element and then by dot ID. I am passing the ID because here its ID is unique, right? Only, otherwise not the unique. Okay, ID is unique. I need to proceed to it, right? Then you can see element, MENT. You can see some error message is coming. We need to import web element class from the org.openkey.selenium packages. Once the import is done, then the error message is gone. Then we need to create a action class, right? You can see action class, we need to create it. I am creating the actions class. I am giving the instance of object name is ACT equal to new actions. And I need to provide the driver reference for the web driver. So here still you can see some error message is coming. You need to import the action class from the org.openkey.selenium interactions packages. Then what is the syntax? ACT.context click element reference and then perform, right? ACT dot context click dot context click, that method, right? And you need to pass the reference here, right? Then dot perform. Okay, so that is the syntax. You need to do it. So here you can see if I right click here, right, there a lot of option is coming. Okay, so it will display, right? So let's run the code and let's see if it is right clicking at all or not. It will launch the browser. Then pass the URL. Then identify the element, and with the help of object instance whatever created for the action class, it will identify the available element and it will right click. Context click, right? You can see option is coming. Now I need to select a particular option. Suppose tag, I will select that element, right? So I need to identify it, right? So how can I identify it? Okay, and you can copy the XPath. Copy XPath. So after that, I will identify the element driver dot find element dot by dot XPath, and I am providing the XPath, and I need to click on that, right? Because it is an option link, right? And after that, after I clicking on the tag, what will happen? It will display some tag, right? I mean some alert, right? Because if the alert cannot be handled using the Selenium WebDriver, so you need to use the switch to alert interface, right? So how can I handle the alert? Driver, you can accept the alert or dismiss the alert. Driver dot switch to dot alert dot accept. I can accept it. That means if I right click on the OK button, so it will be accepted. So here each and every operations I will wait for 3 seconds. Thread dot sleep okay. Here you need to surround with try catch block. So I want to wait 3 seconds before each and every operation, so that you can easily understand whether all the operation is working or not. So what I am doing, first I am opening the URL, then I am identifying the element, right, and I am storing in the variables. For the right click, I am using the action class, I am creating an object, and then using the object reference for the action class, I am right clicking on that the element whatever I have identified and using the perform method. After that, I will wait for 3 seconds, then I will click on the tag option, right, which is the option 3. After right clicking, then again I will wait for 3 seconds. After clicking, some alert will come, right? So here, if you right click here, you can see option is coming tag. So if you click on the tag, so some alert will come, you need to accept it. So that is the thing I want to develop here, and I want to see whether my code is working fine or not, right? And also in the system, I want to provide the output as right click operation is working fine. Okay, let's run the code and let's see whether my right click operations is working fine and the particular options whatever tag I want to select it, and after the selection whatever alert message will come, it will accept the alert, it will close the alert message by accepting it. So it will open the browsers, it will pass the URL, then it will right click on the options, it will wait for 3 seconds, then it will click on the tag options, right? After that alert is coming, then it will wait for 3 seconds, then alert will close. So my script is working absolutely fine, and in the output, that output will be displayed, right? Right click operation is working fine, that is being displayed. So that way you can, right? Suppose if you want to change it to option another options, right click, edit this. If you want to click this option, so it will be you can change it to div1, because that is the same syntax, only div is there. So, and if you also you can find, right, this is the div1, div2 and div3, div4, div5. So this is the 5 option. That way I can just changing the particular D1 so that the edit option will be clicked. After the edit option is clicked, again it will throw some alert. So after that alert will be handled. So that's why you can right click and all the options whatever is there, you can click any of the options, right? And after that, in case any alert is coming, you can handle it using the alert interface available in the Selenium WebDriver. You can accept it, you can dismiss it, right? You can see. So if this option will be clicked, right? You can see you have selected edit, right? Output is coming and alert is handling. So that's why you can click whatever options you want to click it, right? So that's all about for the right click. Now I will show you double click. Double click operation is used when the state of the web element changes after double click operations, and it can be performed using the double click method. So similar way you need to use the actions class, then we need to identify the web element, right? Then we need to click on the double click, right? Use the double click method. We need to pass the reference of the element, and we need to use the perform options. So here, so just simply I will comment this line of code. So I am using the same URL, right? And here I will create the object reference as double click, right? And I need to identify the element, right? Double click element. You can see clicking, double clicking, sorry, is not working, right? Right click, left click is not working. You need to double click it. Then some error message will become. You need to accept it, right? If you select the inspection element, right, you can see ID is coming as double click button, right? So you need to simply change it. Instead of right click button, it will be double click button. Or you can identify the element using XPath or select selector like that, right? Okay, so I am just using the ID because ID is already available. I am not creating the CSS selector or XPath, right? Or if you want to create using that particular ID XPath, you can do it also, right? Control F. So for ID, what is the syntax? Has, you can see it's still highlighting, right? So I will change it to CSS selector instead of ID. By ID dot CSS selector, and I am changing it to CSS selector. So that's why you can use XPath, ID or CSS selector. In case ID was not available, obviously you have to create the CSS selector, but ID is available, you can use the ID as well, right? Then you need to use the action class. We are creating the actions. Then we need to use the action dot right click, act dot right click, that method. Sorry, double click, right? Double click, what is the method name? The method name is double click, act dot double click, right? You can see double click method is coming. Here you need to provide the object reference, then dot perform. Okay, so here after double clicking, some alert will come. We need to handle the alert, right? How can I handle it? Driver dot switch to again dot alert dot accept. Okay, so it will be handled, and I want to give some output, so that will be printed in my consoles. Right click operation is working fine, right? And here I need to wait for 5 seconds, right? After clicking on that option, so alert will come. So I just want to check whether it is clicking on that particular button. Set dot sleep. So thread generally should not use, but whenever you want to validate whether your code is working fine, you can use it. So whenever you are using thread dot sleep, either you need to surround the try catch block or you need to give the add throws declaration. Okay, so here I am passing the URL, then I am identifying that particular double click buttons, right? And I am storing in the double click button variables, and I am using the actions class where I am creating an object or instance for the actions class, then using the object different from action class, and using the double click methods available in the action class, I am providing the object, right, element to which we want to double click, then perform, right? After that I am waiting for 5 seconds so that whatever alert it will come, it will be handled, right? And then it will give the output, right? Let's run the code and let's see whether my code is working fine or not. It will launch the Chrome browsers, it will pass the URL, okay? You can see, okay, it is double clicking, right? And it is error message is coming, right? And it is being accepted, and output you can see double click operation. It should be double click, but here I am written as right click operation. Anyway, it will be double click. If you change it to double click, it will work. I have written double click operation, so that is the reason. Sorry, right click operation, that is the reason output is coming. So you need to change to double click because it is double click only, right? I am using the double click method. So these are the two important methods available in the action class, the Selenium WebDriver. One is the context click for right click operation, and another is the double click for double click operation. So if you right click, so there will be a lot of options will be coming. You can select an options, after identify the element, that options, and you need to click on that, right? So that are the two important aspects. In case if you want to right click or double click, so that your normal will not work, you need to use the definitely the actions class and these two methods. Okay, so that's all about for today's session. Thank you all for watching my videos. In case you are enjoying my videos and learning automation testing in Java, please like and share my videos. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification as and when I will upload a new videos. Please provide your valuable comment for any input or suggestion. Stay tuned for my next video.